Welcome, welcome. Our next video is going to focus a lot on cardiovascular yoga to help you lose weight, to help you move things around in your body, especially to get more blood flow. It doesn't mean that you need to only do this if you want to lose weight. You can actually, this is a very good practice just for general well-being. Okay, so we're going to focus on a lot of different poses and movements. So let's begin. We're going to come to the top of the mat. And let's bring your big toes together and always separate your heels. Bring your hands to your heart center. Let's inhale, take a deep breath in as you look up, touching your palms together. Exhale, open up your shoulders, drop your hands down, bring your head down towards your knees and straighten out your legs to really feel this in your body, especially in your hamstrings. Next, you're going to inhale, step the right leg to the back. Exhale, as you step the left leg to the back, you're now gonna be in plank position. So keeping your stomach in tight every time you are in plank. You wanna keep your feet separated, hip length apart. You're gonna inhale here, let's warm up. Exhale, bring your right knee to the right elbow. Inhale, come back. Exhale, left knee to the left elbow. Going for two more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Really good for core strength. So keep your belly in tight and then inhale. Exhale as you bring the knee to the elbow. Slowly inhale into plank. Exhale, open up your knees wider. Push back into child's pose. Once you are in your child's pose, focus on breathing through the nose, inhaling in through the nose, exhaling out through the nose. And then gently spreading your fingers one more time. You're gonna separate your knees and bring your knees directly under your hips. And you wanna basically be in all fours. And then inhale and look up into cat position. Exhale as you round your spine. Inhale again. And exhale. Notice if you have any tightness in your belly or any tightness in your spine, you're basically going to release all that through the breath. So focus on really breathing in deeply through the nose and then out through the nose. And then slowly tuck your toes in, push back into downward facing dog. And then take a deep inhale through the nose, so Ujjayi breath, breathing in through the nose, contracting the throat as you exhale. And then start walking the dog. So move your knees side to side. Just to get rid of any tension that maybe we're carrying in our hamstrings, maybe you're carrying them in your hips, wherever it is, just release it all out. Then let's take your right leg up really high, inhale. You want to flex your foot, so let your toes face the right side. Exhale, bend it over towards your left side, open up the hip. Inhale, straighten out your leg. Exhale, drop it down to downward dog. Do the same thing on your left side. Take your left leg up really high. Inhale. Exhale, bend it all the way to your right side. Open up the hip. Inhale, straighten out the leg. Exhale, drop it down to downward dog. And then from here, you're going to inhale, bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, jump forward with your feet together, separating your heels, keeping your big toes together. And now I want you to simply grab onto your elbows and relax your head all the way down. So we just want to warm the body. Move your body sway to the right side, let your head just be heavy. Sway to the left. Moving into the right. Inhale in the center, exhale to the left. Feel free to shake your head yes, shake your head no, just release any tension. Do this one more time. Getting all the blood flow towards the head region. And then relax your head all the way down. And from here, you're going to slowly take your time, really gently to come up into standing. We always want to come up super slow so that we do not get dizzy. Okay, so you don't get dizzy, let all the blood transport to all the parts of the body. And then from here, we're gonna open up our feet really wide. You're gonna do something called hip roll. So let's warm up the hips. So move your hips into a big circle. So you're gonna breathe in as you go forward, breathe out as you're gonna go to the back. One more time, breathe in. And then breathe out, about 4 circles, and then do the same thing on the other side. Breathe in, breathe out. 2 more. Remember not to move your head, you're only moving your hips. You're just drawing circle with your hips. And last one time. Next, you're gonna bring your hands to your heart center. I'm gonna open up my feet really wide here. We're gonna go down to a deep squat, a wider squat. So I want you to open up your inner thighs. You wanna keep your chin up as well. And just keep your feet out 45 degrees so that we don't hurt the knees. And then you're gonna inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, open the shoulders. Squat, deep breath in. Exhale. And then go for 3. Exhale. Going for 4, getting those thighs warmed up. And then 5. Let's reverse it. Inhale, take it back. Exhale, bring it forward. So you want to keep your toes lifted, keep your heels down always so that you're not putting a lot of weight on your toes. One more time. Exhale. And now bring your hands to your heart center. So you want to go as wide as you can. You're trying to get those inner thighs stretched out. You're going to inhale right here. Exhale, straighten out your legs. Stretch out your hamstrings. Bend your knees back down again. Inhale. Exhale as you straighten out your legs. You're going to go for 2 more. Bend your knees. Sit down. Exhale. Last one time. And exhale. Now, keep your right hand down, right in the center. I want you to open up your feet a little bit wider where you're not slipping. And just make sure that your toes are aligned in a straight line. So your right hand goes down. You want to twist, take the left hand up. Inhale, drop the left hand down. Exhale, take the right hand up. Go for 2 more. Breathe in, breathe out. Just releasing any tension that you may be carrying in your spine, in your inner thighs. One more time. Slowly drop your hands down. Walk your hands towards your right foot. Okay, maybe on the outside of the right foot, or you can grab onto your ankles, or you can grab onto your shin, whatever comes first for you. Just grab and then drop your head down to the knee. Come back to the center. We want to keep moving. We do not want to just stay in a pose because we really want to get the body warmed up. Now stay here. One more time, inhale. Exhale as you go towards your right foot. Inhale, center. Exhale, walk towards your left foot. Let's do that one last time. Really get those hamstrings stretched out and warmed up before we move into poses. Back to the center, then to the other side. And then slowly come back to the center. Hold it right here. You want to stay here for at least 10 breaths. Take a deep inhale, a deep exhale. If it feels good, you can also bend your knees a little, but you never want to lock the knees. You can just relax your head, shake your head yes, shake your head no, and then holding it for just about another round of breath. And then take your arms to the back, interlace your fingers, and then contract the shoulder blades if you can. If you cannot do this, just relax your hands, just interlace them. No need to contract the shoulder blades, no need to really get the palms together, but if you can, touch your palms together. If not, relax. And then hold it right here. Slowly drop your hands down. Bring your feet back, okay, as much as you can. And completely together. And then from here, we're gonna roll up to standing. Really slow. Once again, remember, you do not want to come up too fast. You do not want to get dizzy as you're coming up, and then touch your palms together. Inhale. On the exhale, you want to basically take your palms up and slowly lift the heels up. Hold and breathe. We are in Tadasana, also known as mountain pose. So focus at one point in front of you. You're trying to work on your balance here, especially your immunity. Okay, very good pose also to strengthen our feet muscles. Okay, if you need to take a break, you can always release your heels down and then go back up again. One more round of breath. Gently release, and from here we're gonna look forward and slowly bring your hands to your heart. Keep your big toes together. Inhale, look up. Touch your palms up. Exhale, open up the shoulders. Rock your hands down to the ground. Inhale, step the right leg to the back. On the exhale, I want you to lower down the right knee, untuck your toes. Okay, so we're gonna move into another flow. I want you to drop your right hand down. Take your left hand open and twist. Inhale. Exhale, wrap your hand around the lower back as you're just opening up the shoulder. Great stretch for your spine. If it feels good for you, just open up and simply open up the knee out to the side if this feels good. Otherwise, you can just drop the foot down. Okay, no need to open it up. Just listen to your body. This is your own practice. Take your hand back up. Inhale. Exhale as you release it down. Left hand stays down. Take your right hand up. Inhale. Exhale as you wrap your hand around the lower back. And notice if this is too much for you, you can always just lift up your left hand and get onto your fingertips. There's no need to keep your hand completely down. Okay? Something about yoga. We always want to do whatever we can. Not forcing anything. Inhale, take your right hand up, exhale, drop it down. And now I want you to come up on your fingertips right below your leg. You're gonna inhale and look up. Exhale as you simply straighten out the front leg, bring your head down to the knee. Feel free to lift your toes up as well on the left foot. Slowly bend your knee again, inhale. Remember to keep the knee in line with the ankle, so it's not going over the ankle. You always want to keep it right in line. And then exhale as you straighten out the leg. One more time, inhale. As you look up, exhale. And then gently, slowly walk your hands back. You're going to slowly push back into downward facing dog. Inhale into plank pose. Exhale into chaturanga, drop your knees down, chest down, or go for a full push-up, your choice. Inhale, go up into cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, step the right foot forward in between your hands. Exhale, lower down the left knee down to the ground, untuck your toes. And then bring your left hand down, directly into the shoulder. Take your right hand up and twist. Inhale here. Exhale, wrap your hand around the lower back and just opening up the shoulder completely. Inhale, take your right hand back up. Exhale, release it down. And from here, slowly tuck your toes in. Push back into downward dog. Inhale. Come back to plank. Exhale, lower down your knees, lower down your chest. Inhale into cobra. Exhale into downward dog. Inhale, step the right foot forward between your hands. Exhale as you step the left foot forward. Inhale, take your arms all the way back. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart.